I made chai tea because I have a cold. It really burns my throat, which isn't helping anything at all. Talking to Andy. No. But yeah. 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 And these are some of my drawings actually with watercolor. Totoro. And that Hada. I'm not as sick anymore. Hopefully I'm better by tomorrow for my math exam. I'm gonna go. But yeah, have a good night or day. Wherever. Copied from Jess earlier. But yeah.